Tiling troubles? No problem, we've all been there. You're knee-deep in a DIY project, feeling like a conquering hero. Then bam, you hit a snag. That beautiful tile you picked out needs a tricky cut. Suddenly doubt creeps in. Can you really pull this off? Don't sweat it. Cutting tiles might seem intimidating at first, but I'm here to tell you, it's totally doable. With the right tools and a little know-how, you'll be slicing through those tiles like a hot knife through butter. We're gonna break it down step by step, so even if you've never held a tile cutter in your life, you'll be a pro in no time. Let's dive in and turn those tiling dreams into reality. So grab your tools and let's get started on this tiling adventure. Gearing up for tile triumph. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk tools. The right tools can make or break your tiling project, so it's crucial to be well prepared. Having the right gear is half the battle. It not only makes the job easier, but also ensures a professional finish. First up, you'll need a tile cutter. This is the cornerstone of your toolkit. This handy tool is your new best friend for straight cuts. It's designed to score the surface of the tile. It scores the tile's surface, then applies pressure to cleanly snap it along the line. This ensures a precise and clean cut every time. For smaller projects, a manual tile cutter will do the trick. It's simple, effective, and easy to use. If you're tackling a larger area, consider a wet saw. This tool is a game changer for extensive tiling jobs. They use a diamond blade and water to make smooth, precise cuts, even on tough materials. The water helps to keep the blade cool and reduce dust. Next, grab a tile nipper. This tool is perfect for those tricky, irregular cuts. This tool is a lifesaver for those awkward little cuts around pipes or corners. It allows for more detailed work. Think of it as pliers for your tile. Don't forget safety glasses. Safety should always be your top priority. Protecting your eyes from flying tile shards is crucial. Always wear your safety gear to prevent accidents. A tape measure, pencil, and straight edge are essential for marking your cuts with precision. Accurate measurements are key to a flawless finish. Got your gear? Great. Now let's get cutting. With the right tools and safety measures in place, you're all set for a successful tiling project. Straight cuts, your gateway to tile mastery. Alright folks, let's start with the basics. Straight cuts. These are the bread and butter of any tiling project, and mastering them will set you up for success. Don't let the simplicity fool you. These cuts are the foundation for any tiling project. Whether you're working on a backsplash, a floor, or a shower wall, straight cuts are essential. Step 1. Measure twice, cut once. This step is crucial to ensure your tiles fit perfectly. Remember that old saying? It's a golden rule in tiling. Double-check your measurements to avoid costly mistakes. Carefully measure the space where your tile will go, and mark the cut line on the tile using your straight edge and pencil. Precision here will save you headaches later. Step 2. Score with confidence. This is where the magic begins. Line up your marked tile with the guide on your tile cutter. Make sure everything is aligned perfectly. Gently but firmly score the tile along the line. The key is to apply consistent pressure. Don't press too hard. One smooth motion is all it takes. A clean score line is essential for a clean break. Step 3. The big snap. This is where your preparation pays off. Now position the tile cutter's pressure bar over the scored line. Make sure it's centered. Apply firm, even pressure to snap the tile cleanly along the score. A smooth, confident motion will give you the best results. Step 4. Admire your handiwork. Take a moment to appreciate your perfectly cut tile. See? Straight as an arrow. Your precision and care have paid off. You're well on your way to becoming a tile cutting pro. Keep practicing and soon you'll be tackling more complex cuts with ease. Section 4. Outlets and switches, conquering the cutouts. Outlets and switches, those pesky little things can feel like a tiling nightmare. But fear not, with a little strategy, you can conquer these cutouts like a champ. First, dry fit your tiles to determine exactly where the cutouts need to be. Using the outlet or switch cover as a template, trace its outline onto the tile with your pencil. Grab your drill and a tile drill bit slightly larger than the screws holding the outlet or switch. Drill a series of closely spaced holes inside the outline you just marked. Use your trusty tile nippers to carefully nibble away at the tile between the drilled holes. Take your time and work slowly to avoid cracking the tile. Once the cutout is complete, use a tile file or sandpaper to smooth any rough edges. Section 5. Curves and circles, rounding out your skills. Ready for a challenge? This section will elevate your tiling game by teaching you how to cut curves and circles with precision. Cutting curves and circles adds a touch of finesse to your tiling project. These shapes can transform a simple design into something truly unique and eye-catching. Let's tackle these trickier cuts with confidence. With the right tools and techniques, you'll be able to create beautiful, professional-looking results. Like any good DIY project, careful planning is crucial. Start by measuring and marking your tiles accurately. This ensures that your cuts will be precise and fit perfectly into your design. Use a compass or a template to trace the desired curve or circle onto your tile. This step is essential for achieving the exact shape you need. For curves and circles, a wet saw is your best bet. This tool is designed to handle intricate cuts with ease, making it ideal for this type of work. It allows you to make smooth, controlled cuts, even on rounded lines. The wet saw's precision is unmatched, ensuring that your tiles look professionally done. When using a wet saw, let the blade do the work. Apply gentle pressure and let the saw's blade glide through the tile. Gently guide the tile into the blade, following the marked line. This will help you maintain control and achieve a clean cut. Avoid forcing the cut, as this can crack the tile. Patience and a steady hand are key to preventing damage and ensuring a smooth finish. Always wear your safety glasses when operating a wet saw. Protecting your eyes is crucial when working with power tools, and keep your fingers clear of the blade. Safety should always be your top priority to avoid any accidents. After cutting, use a tile file or sandpaper to smooth out any rough edges, creating a seamless finish. This final step ensures that your tiles are not only beautiful, but also safe to handle and install. Section 6. Polishing your project. Finishing touches. You've cut your tiles like a pro. Now let's add those finishing touches that make all the difference. Grouting might seem like a small detail, but it can make or break your tiling project. Choose a grout color that complements your tile and apply it carefully, ensuring even coverage. As you grout, use a damp sponge to wipe away excess grout from the tile surface. This will prevent the grout from drying and leaving a haze. Once the grout is completely dry, apply a sealant to protect your tile and grout from stains and moisture. Congratulations! You've successfully tackled tricky tile cuts and given your space a stunning makeover. Section 7. You got this! See? I told you it wouldn't be so bad. Cutting tiles doesn't have to be a DIY nightmare. With the right tools, a little patience, and a whole lot of can-do spirit, you can achieve professional-looking results. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different cutting techniques. And if you hit a snag, don't fret. There are tons of helpful resources available online, including videos and tutorials to guide you along the way. Now go forth and tile with confidence. You got this.